Let's get you some Instagram coin. Hey, what's up? My name is Rasha and welcome to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up because it really does help me with the algorithm. Today, we're going to be talking about how to make money on Instagram. So let's get right on into it. So number one would be you can simply sell a service. So for instance, I'm a social media coach and I sell my consultation calls on Instagram. Actually, you can book a consultation call with me on my new website, which the link is down in the description below. But that's one thing that I do, and that can look like a lot of different things for a lot of different people. So for instance, you might be a fashion influencer, but one thing you could do is sell a service of personal styling consultations or secret shopping or something for other people. So that's one service that you could do. So having a service is a great way to make money on Instagram. Number two, to make money on Instagram would simply be selling a product. So for instance, maybe a lot of people comment and say, oh my gosh, I like your nails, and you make them yourselves. Hey, cause that was my quarantine hobby, making press-ons. So that could be something that you can sell, selling your press-ons or whatever to your people, because a lot of people comment and say, hey, I love your nails. And so now you can be like, oh, well, link in my bio, go buy them. I made them, like, you know, so that could be something. You can make like prints, you could do anything. You can make merch. That's another thing, is like if you have an attuned audience, no matter how big or small you are, they might want merch for something that you have. So if like every morning you get on your stories and you say, what it do, shawty, they might want to buy a cup with a what it do, shawty on it, you know? So you could definitely sell products. Number three. So number three would be affiliate marketing, which a lot of people do. And honestly, it doesn't matter what size content creator you are for you to have success on affiliate marketing. So I'm an Amazon affiliate. So if I have links for Amazon or whatever below, then typically I'm getting paid some form of commission from them. So I think that that's one thing that you could use, is signing up for different platforms affiliates. Also, like for instance, my TubeBuddy, I'm a TubeBuddy affiliate. So you want to sign up for different affiliate programs or whatever and utilize those links, and it's just how you sell them, right? So really it's up to you how much money you make, because it's like, are you going to be talking about those products every day? Do you have a really in tune audience? So as long as you just mention it, then they're headed right over there, or do you have to keep reminding? Like, affiliate marketing is something that can be difficult because it can take a lot of work, but it can definitely pay off once you get the hang of it. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing, let me know down in the comments below and I will be glad to talk more about it. Number four is brand deals. So a lot of people think that they can just become a content creator, become some form of influencer or whatever, and they're just going to get so many brand deals, which, sorry to break it to you, it's not the truth. Brand deals are a lot of work, and sometimes it's not even worth it. Brands ask for a lot, and they're not that easy to work with, and they have really strict deadlines that are really quick, and then they have a budget of $100. Brand deals aren't always the most feasible way, but it's definitely a way that you can make income, because it is a way that I make some of my income from Instagram, is I get paid for brands to post about them. So that could be in different ways too, because it depends on what that brand wants. They might want a reel, they might want an IGTV, they might want a story, they might want an in-feed post. They might want you to create content for them, which that brings me into number five. Number five is you could make money on Instagram by creating content for somebody else. Whether that's a large brand, a small business or something, you can make a lot of money by licensing your content to a business. So what does that look like? Let me give you an example. You have a local coffee shop. Instead of the coffee shop paying you to post about them on your Instagram, right? They pay you for a photo of you, or for you to come in and take photos of the coffee shop and things so that they can use for their Instagram. And that's where you can get a lot of money, because licensing fees can definitely rack up, because you can definitely charge like 1,000 plus, but we can go into numbers in another video. So I would definitely recommend, instead of just working on content for your page, work on content for other people's page. Like, that's my favorite type of working with brands, because honestly, working with brands for my page, they want you to have certain captions, have certain this, but when you're working for things for their page, you're just taking the content, so that's shooting the video, taking a picture or whatever, sending it off, they approve it or not, and you don't have to worry about anything else. I would definitely recommend checking out how to create content for other people, which is also really great for small creators, because it doesn't matter the number of followers you have, because it's going on their platform. So if you just have really great high quality pictures, or if you do really good with reels or speaking on video, they will want you to create that for them. And so that's something that you could pitch them, instead of pitching like, hey, send me this and let me talk about this on my platform. Like, hey, I do really good at this, and I think that I could fit in on your profile with your theme or this and that. Like, that would be something really quality. That's a great way to make money by using Instagram. But that's all I got for you. Those are my five, in no specific order or whatever, on how to make money using Instagram. I have a lot of other tricks on my sleeve, so if y'all are interested and you want a part 2 to this video, then please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you want me me to expand on any of these topics, please let me know in the comments below. But thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really do appreciate you. Make sure that you check me out on Instagram at Rasha, and I will see you in the next video. But before you go, YouTube recommends that you check out this video right here, and I definitely do too. I think the top one will be perfect for you. So I will see you in the next one. Bye. Better click that video.